Good morning! Today our topic is transport and we will learn the means of transport. So let's start. I think you know this one. This mean of transport. What is it? It's a bike. 3 times bike, bike, bike. Long bike, short bike. Happy bike, sad bike, angry bike, sleepy bike, quietly bike, loud bike. Okay, remember it's a bike. And the next one, I think you also should know this mean of transport. This is a motorbike. Motorbike. 3 times. Motorbike, motorbike, motorbike. Long. Motorbike. Short. Motorbike. Happy motorbike. Sad motorbike. Angry motorbike. Sleepy motorbike. Quietly motorbike. Loud motorbike. Yes, so there's a bike and there's a motorbike. A bike and a motorbike. Okay, and the next one, I think you also should remember this. It was in class number 2, I think. It's a scooter. 3 times. Scooter, scooter, scooter. Long scooter. Short scooter. Happy scooter. Sad scooter. Angry scooter. Sleepy scooter. Quietly scooter. Loud scooter. Okay, so there are 3 means of transport: a bike, a motorbike and a scooter, which have got 2 wheels. Only 2. 1, 2. 2 wheels. Scooter has got 2 wheels, a bike has got 2 wheels and a motorbike has got 2 wheels. So, now let's look at some means of transport which have got 4 wheels. 4 wheels. Do you think what is it? Do you know? Of course, it's a car. But is it a normal car? No, it isn't. It's a taxi. Yes, this is a mean of transport. A taxi. 3 times. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Long taxi. Short taxi. Happy taxi. Sad taxi. Angry taxi. Sleepy taxi. Quietly taxi. Loud taxi. Yes, this is a taxi and it's got 4 wheels, yes? So, there's a bike and it's got 2 wheels. There's a motorbike and it's got 2 wheels. There's a scooter and it's got 2 wheels. But there's a taxi and it's got 4 wheels. And one more mean of transport has got 4 wheels. Do you know what is it? It's a coach. Yes, I know. I think you said a bus. Yes, because there are buses, but buses are in the towns. Yes, in the town, in the city, you can travel by bus. But between some cities, from one city to another, from Żyrardów to Warsaw, from Warsaw to Krakow, you can travel by coach, not a bus. It's a coach. 3 times. coach, coach, coach. Long, coach, short, coach. Happy, coach. Sad, coach. Angry, coach. Sleepy, coach. Quietly, coach. Loud, coach. Yes, it's a coach and it's got 4 wheels. In school trips, you also travel by coach, not by bus. Yes, you can travel by bus to your school from your house or from your flat, from your home. But when we have some trips, school trips, we travel with your class, we travel by coach. Okay, so once again, there is a bike, there is a motorbike, there is a scooter, there is a taxi, and there is a coach. Okay, now next means of transport are the air transport. So flying. Yes, the air transport means are, of course, a plane. It's a plane. 3 times. Plane, plane, plane. Long, plane. Short, plane. Happy, plane. Sad, plane. Angry, plane. Sleepy, plane. Quietly, plane. Loud, plane. Yes, it's the air transport. The air transport. So, a bike, a motorbike, a scooter, a car, a coach, a plane, and there is one more air transport mean, which is a helicopter. A helicopter. 3 times. A helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter. Long, helicopter. Short, helicopter. Happy, helicopter. Sad, helicopter. Angry, helicopter. Sleepy, helicopter. Yes, it's also an air transport. Okay, so once again everything. So there is a bike, there is a motorbike, a scooter, a taxi, a coach, a plane, a helicopter, and now the railway transport. So you need a railway. You need a railway. And a railway transport is, for example, a train. A train. 3 times. Train, train, train. Long, train. Short, train. Happy, train. Sad, train. Angry, train. Sleepy, train. Quietly, train. Loud, train. Yes, this is a railway transport. Yes, because it's got a railway. So maybe let's put it here, a railway transport. Okay, so a bike, a motorbike, a scooter, a taxi, a coach, a plane, a helicopter, a train, and one more railway transport is a tram. A tram. 3 times. Tram, tram, tram. Long, tram. Short, tram. Heavy, tram. Sad, tram. Angry, tram. Sleepy, tram. Loud, tram. Yes, it's a tram. Trains are faster and they are traveling from the city to the other city. Yes? or from the town to the other town, but the trams are in the city. Yes, they are traveling from street to street in the same city or a town. Okay, but they also have got railway. And one more, the last railway transport mean is underground. Underground. Sometimes you can hear this transport mean as metro, but remember it's underground. 3 times. Underground, underground, underground. Why is it underground? Because when you have ground, this is under the ground. Yes, under the ground. So it's underground. Happy, underground. Sad, underground. Angry, underground. Sleepy, underground. Quietly, underground. Loud, underground. Okay, this is underground. And let's repeat everything. A train, a bike, a motorbike, a scooter, a TV, a taxi, a coach, a plane, a helicopter, a train, a tram, and underground. Okay, I've got 2 more transport means, and they are water, a means of transport. Water. So, what is it? What is it? You should remember this word. This is a sheep. Sheep. 3 times. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Long. Sheep. Short. Sheep. Happy. Sheep. Sad. Sheep. Angry sheep. Sleepy sheep. Yes, this is a sheep. So there is a water. Yes, and it needs a water. So the last one, and what do you think it is? It's a ferry. It's a ferry. It's like a ship, yes, but it's some kind of ship, a ferry. In Polish, it's prom. So it's a ferry. 3 times. Ferry, ferry, ferry. Long. Ferry. Short. Ferry. Happy. Ferry. Sad. Ferry. Angry. Ferry. Sleepy. Ferry. Quietly. Ferry. Loud. Ferry. Okay. So we've got all of them. A taxi, a coach, a plane, a helicopter, a bike, a motorbike, a scooter, a train, a tram, an underground, a ship, and a ferry. Okay, and now let's play a game. But before the game, please point to the correct pictures, okay? Point. Point to the tram. Point to the tram. This one is a tram. Point to the scooter. Point to the scooter. This one is a scooter. Point to the ferry. Point to the ferry. This one is a ferry. Point to the helicopter. Point to the helicopter. There's a helicopter. Point to the motorbike. Point to the motorbike. This is a motorbike. And point to the train. Point to the train. This is a train. Point to the ship. Point to the ship. This is a ship. Point to the underground. Point to the underground. This is the underground. Point to the coach. Point to the coach. This is a coach. Point to the train. No, sorry, train was there. Point to the bike. Point to the bike. Yes, this is a bike. Point to the plane. Point to the plane. This is a plane. And point to the taxi. Point to the taxi. This is a taxi. Okay, so now, as I said, let's play a game. What's missing? So, look at the cards and tell me what's missing. Can you see? It was a tram. It was a tram. Look once again. And what's missing now? Can you see? It was a coach. It was a coach. And what about now? What's missing now? It was the underground. It was the underground. And once again, what's missing? Can you see? It was a ferry. A ferry was missing. And what about now? What is missing now? Do you know? It was a scooter. It was a scooter. And look once again. What is missing now? Do you recognize? It was a plane. And the last one. What is missing now? Can you see? A ship is missing. Okay, so let's play the other game. Remember the order. Remember the order and say the order every time, okay? Every time. So let's start. A taxi, a coach, a plane, a helicopter, a bike, a motorbike, a scooter, a train, a tram, an underground, a ship, a ferry. And once again, say everything. Even if you can't see something, say it. So, there's a taxi, a coach, a plane, a helicopter, a bike, and a scooter, a train, a tram, an underground, a ship, a ferry. And once again, say everything. Even if you can't see it, say it. So, there's a taxi, a coach, a plane, a helicopter, a bike, and a scooter, a train, a tram, an underground, a ship, and so once again there's a taxi, a coach, and a helicopter, a bike, and a scooter, a train, a tram, an underground, a ship, and once again say everything in the order. So there's a taxi, a coach, and a helicopter, a bike, and a scooter, and a tram, an underground, a ship, and once again a taxi, a coach, a helicopter, a bike, a scooter, a tram, a ship, and let's start again. A taxi, and a helicopter, a bike, and a scooter, and a tram, and a ship, and once again a car, a taxi, and a helicopter, and a scooter, and a tram, and a ship, and so let's start. A taxi, and a scooter, and a tram, and a ship, and a taxi, and a scooter, and a tram, and so this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, a scooter, this one, a tram, this one, this one, this one, and the last time. This is, 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 this is a tram, this is, and this is. And now let's check if you remember everything. So, what's here? It's a taxi. What's here? It's a coach. What's here? It's a plane. What's here? It's a helicopter. What's here? It's a bike. What's here? It's a motorbike. What's here? It's a scooter. What's here? It's a train. What's here? It's a tram. What's here? It's an underground. What's here? It's a ship. What's here? It's a ferry. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.